Hazır. Atıyorum.
Some gliders surge forward.
Çok güzel.
This one rises. When the air is right, you don't fight it. You let the wing hold the moment. Quiet, steady, almost unreal. And here's the new Craycle model, the most engineered airframe we've made so far. True to the original Stick spirit. No carbon rods, no fancy material, just regular PLA, and this is what it can do. From the outside, you can see the balance. It looks right and smooth in motion, and from FPV, it feels even calmer. The horizon stays steady, the wing stays quiet. Then you cut the motor, and the view opens wide. This is the soaring part. Wide, clean, and smooth. The kind of flight that makes you stay up longer, and when it's time to come down, it stays composed. Soar Stick, built to soar and land gracefully.
Oo, çok güzel.